Okay, so we know basic IO operation, how to declare variable value and how to use formatting and all. Now look at this question. So write a Python program. We have to take some basic IO operation only. Read employee details from input stream. Employee details like employee name, department, working city, and basic pay. This all we can read from input stream. STDN means standard input stream keyboard. Using print function, displayed all the details to screen. Monitor. Monitor is std out. So here the point is we can read input from input stream and all the input data to display to screen using single print function. If you want to print all the statement in one by one, we can use escape character /n character. So here that point is don't use a /n character. Without using /n character, how to print one by one, line by line message. So for this we can follow the previous video. We used multi-line string statement. Using multi-line string we can write one by one. So recap how to read the data from input stream. So first to recap the syntax, input is a function and followed by prompt message. Prompt symbol and initialized value. Input return always will be string type of variable, string, and display to screen normal print followed by user defined variable or value. We can combine, and this is basic IO operation. So this program is just reading and displaying that output. Now I'll take first prompt input followed by enter. I'm writing in the interpreter. I didn't write inside the file. I'm writing in the interpreter. So enter employee name from input stream. Now this is the first prompt. I'll take name as a variable. Now if you press enter, it will display the prompt message. Enter employee name. Say Kumar. Kumar is value. The next line I'll write input enter Kumar working department. Kumar belongs to which department? Then I used formatting. Dot format of named variable and initialized DAPT is a variable. Then if I say sales is Kumar working department, say it's a variable replaced Kumar. Sales is my value. Sales is value. The next input enter working city. Input enter Kumar working city. So here the prompt symbols are replaced. It format. We can use format or control string. Name is named variable. City is a variable. So now we can type city name. We can enter the city name. Okay. After entering the city, the next prompt input enter basic pay. Basic pay. Format followed by something basic pay name. So enter Kumar basic pay. So this will be number. Okay. Now I'll put cost. This will be number. We need to typecast to integer or float, what type of want. I'll typecast to integer. Recap typecasting. Typecasting string to integer. Default data will be string. Now I convert to integer. So if I type some basic value, something, just I entered some basic value. Now this will be integer type of data. Now we finished all the read operation. If I type name, we'll get all the individual value. Now using single print function, how to display it one by one? Print, we can write interactively. Multi-line statement, employee name followed by the format and the employee working department followed by format and the working city name working city followed by some format and basic pay followed by format and close it. Format and replace the named variable. First curly braces of format notation, replaced a name variable. Second replaced the department variable. Third replaced city name variable. Fourth replaced cost variable. And format is closed. So I didn't use the /n character. Each enter will be interpreted as a /n and I return multi-line string statement. Now see the output of the program. This is basic IO operation. Reading data from input stream and display the data to screen. And I written everything in the interpreter, so I'm getting each line by line of interpretation. If writing this code inside the file, first it will take all the input, then finally it will display that to monitor. Okay, so this all this Python internal prompt, primary prompt. Each enter will be interpreted as one line. After finished, it will go to the next line. After finished, it will go to next line. Okay, and now see the final statement. The prompt symbol is single prompt. Print is a single function. The function, it contains all the multi-line statement. So Python point of view, this all it's a one line interpretation. After finished this line, then prompt will be appear, the next prompt after display this statement. So this is the way we can read the data from input stream and display to monitor. It's a basic IO operations. How to read the data from input. So the term input means everything, integer, string, everything we can take input. By default, input function return will be string type of data. If you want to make it as numeric, explicitly we can typecast to numerical type format, integer or float, what type of you want to convert. So these are the basic typecasting concept. How to perform arithmetic and all I'll tell you. So understand the basic read and write operation, reading the data from input to program, script, from script to display to monitor. So next topic we'll discuss basic arithmetic operations, numerical operations. Thank you.